let's do your right arm first. And so let's do 10 out to the side. So out, up, hold, and release. And 2, up, and hold, release. 3, up, hold, and release, down. 4, up, hold, and release, down. 5, up, hold, and release, down. And 6, up, hold, and release, down. 7, up, hold, and release, down. 8, up, hold, and release, down. 9, up, hold, and release, down. And 10, up, hold, and release, down. Your left hand, my right hand, I'm mirroring you. Here we go, and 1, out, up, and hold, release, down. 2, out, up, hold, and release, down. 3, out, up, hold, and release, down. Is that one weaker? It looks like you're not lifting as far. 4, up, hold, and release, down. 5, up, hold, and release, down. 6, up, hold, and release, down. 7, up, hold, and release, down. 8, up, hold, and release, down. 9, up, hold, and release, down. And last one, up, hold, release, and down. Overhand Poilates. So earlobes over shoulders, over hips, over heels, knees soft, core tucked, head up, and right arm up. Here we go. We'll do 20. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! Back, 2, 3, flip, waist, 2, 3, L up, 1, 2, 3. Grab your left wrist, stretch up, bend over right, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to vertical, swing the arms down and back. 1, 2, 3, flip to the waist. 2, 3, elbow up. 2, 3, and up, and grab the right wrist and stretch up. Bend over to the left, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to vertical, swing the arms back, and second set. Back, 2, 3, and waist. 2, 3, elbow up. 2, 3, and we're going to grab the left wrist, stretch up, bend over to the right, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to vertical, swing down and back, and 1, 2, 3, flip it up to the waist, 1, 2, 3. Flip it up into L. And 1, 2, 3. Grab your right wrist and stretch up. Bend over left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to vertical and third set. Down and back. 1, 2, 3. Flip it up to the waist and 1, 2, 3. L up and 1, 2, 3. Up and grab the left wrist. Stretch it up. Bend over to the right and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to vertical. Swing down and back. And 1, 2, 3. Flip to the waist. 2, 3. And L up. And 1, 2, 3. Grab the right wrist. Stretch, 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 stretch. Then over to the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up and release. Right arm up. And here we go. Backstroke and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Woo!